Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Alright, so we just wrapped up our video of the digital clock. I'm kind of on the fence about if I should put it all together and maybe experiment and make a thumbnail for that. So kind of drop a comment down below if you think that would go over well, because I was realizing when I was titling yesterday's video, I was going, I need to make sure everybody knows that this is the final video. So I think I put final or something like that. So all right, I just wanted to show you guys some stuff that I think you guys like a lot, some analytics. So all right, here's a breakdown here's the total views, and it's been coming back up. I've really kind of noticed that with me taking a break at the beginning of the year associated with the course. And I'm going to have some news on that hopefully very soon. Things have been upticking, but here's a very interesting video. I think this is my best performing video in a period of time. It's the how to replace multiple string characters. I think I have multiple different ways you can do it, but as you can see here, I wonder if it's helping with a homework assignment since it's fall. I have noticed, but like as you can see on the 29th, it had 49 views in and of itself, and it has over 3,000 views, and it has a very high click-through rate. So this column right here is if you see it, what is your percentage of clicking on it? So for the last 28 days, it was shown to 4,115, well, I guess, times. Could be individuals. And then how many times, what percentage that was clicked on. So my impression click-through rate is a 3.7 for the past 28 days. And as you can see, I gained 126 subscribers. But also, I just wanted to say thank you, because look, when you guys click on these and you push up the click-through rate, the impressions go up. So YouTube just tracks that. If videos have a high click-through rate, they're going to even get more impressions. So I show you this to tell you thank you, that I really appreciate you guys watching these videos, because really watching them is very, very valuable. So all right. So the next video series we're going to be doing is unit testing. So it is very handy, very powerful. So when you're writing code, you can test it and literally think of all the scenarios you're going to have. So when you put it out, it's going to act as just like we have done with our scenarios. We have to think of the ways to test it. Well, this is a more fluid and is the best practice to test the code that you have for multiple scenarios. So there we go, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drop down either over here on Discord or down in the comments below if you think that video of the digital clock all put together would be helpful, or if you would click on it, or things like that. Or I'm kind of on the fence. I may just do it anyway and just see how it goes. But I'd love the feedback from you guys, because like I said, you guys are the ones that have pushed this channel, and I just want to get more viewers like you. So that's why I appreciate the feedback from everyone here. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.